What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
I broke the phone and I went to AT&T and they told me that phone is a trash and they gave me a new one. It's only 128 gigabyte.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that one is
256.
256. It doesn't go in here. So I don't have enough space and I need you to fix it for me. Can you fix it and call a change?
Yes. Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you.
Surgery time.
Your phone is ready, miss.
Wow.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Look at that. You changed the color too.
Wow.
Love it.
New.
New phone. Look at that.
Yeah.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.